Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Vickie's Country Home. Today is kind of a channel update and a little bit of an announcement. And first of all, I've been gone for a few days because I was coordinating a ladies' retreat at Lake Tahoe. So we spent the weekend there. We studied the Bible. I cooked a lot of food for 9 other ladies. So I've kind of been wrapped up in that, and I haven't been on here making a video. What I'm going to announce today is we've been working on a little bit of a collaboration. So I'm here to announce that I'm thinking it's going to be next week. We're going to put out a collaboration. And it's going to be myself and 5 other ladies that I love. And that is, of course, Mrs. Lori at Whippoorwill Holler. Love that lady. She's such a dear friend and sister to me. Mrs. Katie at Heritage Ways. Another one. Love her. Teresa at Teresa Stay at Home Life. We have done collaborations before. She's just a beautiful person. Tina at Teasers Pleasers. And I haven't done a collab with Tina yet, although she's joined in on some in the past, but I look forward to this. And Mary, another dear friend that I got to meet in person in Texas, Mary from Mary's Nest. So it would be myself and 5 other ladies, and I'm going to put a link below to their channels. And this is all going to be somewhat of a surprise to them because we had discussed this, but we really didn't have anything planned out. So what it is going to be is, why do I blank? Question mark. Now this can be anything that's important to you. It could be why you're a YouTube creator, why you cook a certain way or certain things. It could be why you're a homesteader. There's just anything that would encourage or touch other people. So that is what it's going to be called. Why do I blank? Now for the surprise, because these ladies have been given this information. But then I went ahead and made an executive decision, and I'm going to surprise them. So they don't know this part. I want the viewers to watch all the videos, all 5 of them. As soon as they come out, watch the videos. And then I want you to come to my video that I'm making for the collaboration. And in the comments, I want you to tell me which story, which lady touched you the most or encouraged you the most. So if it was just a touching story, or if it was encouragement that would help you in your path in life, whatever. But I'd like you to put their name in my comments, and I'd also like to tell you to tell me why. So it's going to be which one of them and why. And I'm excluded. So come watch mine and see what my story is. But the surprise part is one of these beautiful ladies that gets the most comments and explanations of why they do this. I am going to select a gift for them personally and send it to them. Surprise! So I need all of you to help me do that. I need you all to be a part of it and go check them out. They've all got beautiful hearts, and I can't wait to hear their stories, because I know some, but I'm sure there's so much more, and we never know what motivates another person and what is the driving force in their life to do something. And it could be to help their family, it could be to help their community, whatever it is. I want to hear about it. I want you to hear about it. And I'm really hoping that we're all encouraged and touched and are better because we heard these stories. So I'm planning this for next week. We haven't decided on a date yet. That will be very soon. But what I'd like you to do is be watching for it. And if you want to go to their channels and hit their notification bells, subscribe and hit that bell, because that'll tell you when their videos come up. And when they do, go watch that video, because I think this is going to be a really amazing collaboration, because it's going to be one from the heart. This is going to be one that is very personal to each of us. And I know there are people that make YouTube videos that put on a persona. That's not what I want to hear. I want to hear your story. I want to hear something that is personal and true to you. Now, even if you're not one of these ladies, please join in. Make a video. Do the same. All I ask is that in the title that you put why I do blank, and that you link to it, and also put a playlist if you'd like. But let us know and we'll add you to our playlist. Decent, encouraging, or touching, but keep it in bounds. Don't do anything weird. But I really would love to hear your stories too. This is such a huge topic and no two stories will be the same. We're all different and we all have different motivations and life experiences. So if you want to join in, please do. Whether you join in or not, please come back and watch these videos and let us know what you think. And if you want, it helps me out if you go down and subscribe. It helps me out if you hit the notification bell so you know when my videos are coming up. But when you hit that bell, make sure you hit it again and make sure it says that you always get notified. Because I've looked up YouTube's reasoning behind the notification. And unless you specifically tell them that you want to be notified for every video, they will decide based on other people's viewing preferences and all kinds of other reasons, but it could be very seldom. So you might not know and you might miss something that you wanted to see. So hit the notification bell, subscribe, and share this with your friends. And if they have a story, encourage them to do this too. So thank you for watching. God bless. And we'll talk again soon.